Hello and welcome everyone. This is me, Raza, and I'm an owner of a Google Ads partner company, and I have helped clients with Google Ads audit, setup management, Shopify, WordPress development solutions, and a lot more. So, in case if you want to know more about my company, you can click on the link in the description. Our company known as ARSWEBS.com. Now, move on to the question, and the question today I have regarding Google Ads is CPC too high and conversion rate down. Okay, I understand. High, it was running very smoothly last month. CPC was between $2 to 3. Okay, that's good. I was getting regular conversions, but recently from last week my CPC went up and conversion rate fell down. Okay, that's bad to hear. My question: how to adjust CPC while using maximum conversion bidding? Last month it was doing great, but right now I'm losing money due to high CPC. Okay, sad to hear for this. But if in case if it was running well, and it has certainly went down, in my opinion there are a few things to look around. For instance, maybe auto recommendations have been applied. Okay, now where you can see the auto recommendations is, keep an eye on when you move on to the Google Ads account, keep an eye on notifications tab. In case if there are any notifications, do look for around, and look around on the change history. If there are any auto recommendations applied, I highly recommend you to reverse any of those changes, because those changes you can see around over here. Look around what the changes are done, so reverse those changes. So I'm just explaining to you that whatever the changes are being done on the account can be modified or can be looked around over here in the change history tab. Now you can see with some options you have an undo available over here. So you can see around, you can undo the changes from your Google Ads account. The second thing is, I will look around for a quality score sudden decline. Okay, the quality score sudden decline can be a reason, and most of the people do not have an idea on how to look around for their quality score. So for instance, I recommend people that look around on their keywords to see if you have suddenly your key not in the this is a generic over here, but move on to the campaigns and look around on the campaigns for any other tab and see if there is a quality score decline for any keyword, to see any decline over here. So that is a good way to figure out if in case if you have anything down. You can also look around for the quality score over here. After moving on to the ad group, look around in the detail. So for instance, you just move on to the keywords over here, and then just a second over here. If you cannot see over here, let me make myself over there. Okay, usually it's being mentioned on status. Move on over here and look around on the quality score over here. So the quality score can explain that is mentioned along with the status regarding the account performance. So that is more into the relevancy. So in my opinion, the quality score decline can be a reason. Okay, and other thing is, what people do is, whenever they adjust their CPC or anything you are done, never do it more than 20%. Neither increase nor decrease. Why? Because when you do it, the Google system will go into the learning phase mode again, and then you can expect a slight drop or more drop in your conversion. So in the scenario like yours, in my opinion, is this. And another strategy which I think could be over here is that when you are using the maximum conversion bidding, can be figured out. For instance, if someone move on to their campaign tab over here, and let's say we open one of the campaign, just a second, to show you. For instance, I am moving on to this one. Okay, over here, just to show you, rather in this one. Okay, so when you move over here, scroll below and see around the bidding over here. The bidding over here is maximize conversion value, like yours is maximize conversion. If I remove this one, it's maximize conversion. And if you change bid strategy, and from the maximize conversions which you are using, if you move to the maximize clicks over here, you can reduce your CPC, but you also need to keep in mind your conversion. So you need to look around for your conversions as well if you do it. So my opinion is, can be worth trying around with the maximize clicks to see if can help. Also look around on your ad schedule to see when you are getting most conversions, and then look around and focus on those areas time, and spend more them on those timings, and spend less on when you have a high cost per conversion. So look around for the days, hours, and move around on your, and lastly look around for your negative keywords to see search terms to see if you need to add some negative keywords, and this can help you in optimizing your Google Ads campaign. So yeah, I hope this answers your question regarding CPC too high and conversion rates are down. So if anyone needs a professional help with the Google Ads audit management setup, don't forget to hire a company like us. We are known as Aarswebs.com. We help clients with the Google Ads audit setup and management. We are a Google Ads professional partner company, and we look forward to working with you. We also help clients with web designing as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Aarswebs.com. The link is also mentioned in the description of this video. Take care. Bye bye.